Every second you hesitate, your brain is silently training you to stay exactly where you are. Not because you're lazy, not because you're unmotivated, but because your brain has learned that thinking feels safer than doing. And every time you think instead of act, you strengthen the wiring for delay. It's time to take the wheel back with a 10-step blueprint to rewire your brain for action, not perfection. Step 1, the 20-second rule. If starting something takes more than 20 seconds, your brain avoids it. Make the first step instant. If you're going to run, have your shoes ready. If you're going to write, keep the file open. You remove the friction before it even begins. Step 2, kill the forbidden word. Planning. Every time you say, "Let me plan first," you're already escaping. No plan ever started action. Every change began with a move. So write something down and act on one piece of it. That's when your brain starts listening. Step 3, train your brain with action, not motivation. Motivation fades, conditioning stays. Create a trigger, a certain song, a certain light, a certain smell. As soon as that cue hits, your body moves. Your brain adapts to repetition, not inspiration. Step 4, the unstoppable algorithm. If you only know the first step, you'll stop there. Predefine your chain. If step 1 is writing, what's step 2? If it's exercise, what's next? Have your system on rails, or you'll walk off the track. Step 5, activate the immediate finish rule. Once you start, finish. Not perfectly, not brilliantly, just finish. Closing the loop gives your brain a chemical reward. Leaving it open creates noise. Done is a signal of control, even if it's messy. Step 6, silence the inner critic. That voice saying, "Don't start. It won't be good enough." Write one sentence before you begin. "I'm only here to begin, not to impress." This frees your mind from the toxic grip of perfection. Step 7, the experimental mode. When the brain senses a permanent decision, it resists. So trick it. Say, "I'm just testing." No pressure, no identity. It's a game, not a verdict. Step 8, build memory of small wins. Every little step must leave a footprint. Reward it immediately. A note, a check mark, a smile. When your brain sees pleasure after action, it craves more of it. Step 9, master your dopamine. Most people get dopamine just from imagining success, but that's a trap. Train your brain to feel good only after doing something, not dreaming about it. Reality must become the only source of reward. Step 10, lock it in neurologically. When you do the same task, at the same time, in the same place, your brain forms a shortcut. That chair means work. That hour means action. Do it often enough, and your brain will act before you even think. Your brain will either build you or break you. You choose who holds the wheel. So just do it. Now.